There we go. Just a neat way to store a little bit of birch bark or something. You know, for some wet weather fire starting. There's enough space underneath the saw blade and the seatbelt blade, I believe it's called. Kind of looks like a fish scaler blade to me, but there's enough space under there to store a good amount of birch bark. And since I keep this knife in my pocket, it's always available 24/7 anytime I'm out. Just out here for a hike, you know, on a cold winter day again. It was spring-like earlier today, but now it's back to winter. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.